Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Steps Day 6. So we're on day 5, y'all. We're doing it. And today's baby step is cleaning off our hot spots. And so FlyLady says that a hot spot is any flat surface where things can accumulate, junk can accumulate, really. So for me, this is my coffee table, the dining room table. We have like a kind of island peninsula kind of thing. So those are going to be the areas that I will focus on. And she says to just spend 2 minutes doing this. Do not do it until it's finished. Just spend 2 minutes, set a timer, and once that timer goes off, stop. I love how FlyLady uses the timer and introduces it now because it really does add an element of fun to be able to set a timer to see how fast you can do something, or to know that you're going to be able to stop doing something if you don't really want to do it. So it's not as daunting to get started when you know after these 2 minutes, I have to put in 2 good minutes and then I'm going to be done. So that's our baby step for today. If you haven't already, there's a link below with a calendar that I made that has all the 31 days of baby steps so that you can follow along with this challenge. Subscribe as well if you want to follow along with this challenge here on YouTube. And don't forget to like the video if you like it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.